Hey beautiful people, so today I am using the Fenugreek Intense Regeneration Hair Mask by Bell Bar Organic. Ingredients include goat milk, fenugreek, marshmallow root, aloe vera oil, pumpkin, neem oil, and grapeseed oil. So I just parted my hair in 4 sections so I'm able to evenly distribute the mask throughout my entire head. I just made sure I really combed through each section so that the mask could deeply penetrate my hair follicles. This is the mask throughout my head. You guys can see that my hair is beyond moisturized. What I'm gonna do is throw a cap on it, wait an hour, and wash it out. This is the ending result. Y'all, my hair feels amazing. Look at those curls.